Let's take one example on design of an op-amp circuit. Design an adder circuit using op-amp to obtain the output voltage given by VO is equal to 2 in bracket 0.1 V1 plus 0.5 V2 plus 2.0 V3, where V1, V2, V3 are input voltages. So in this circuit we supposed to design the op-amp adder circuit such that it produces the output as VO is equal to 2.1 V1 plus 0.5 V2 plus 2 V3. We know that the output of op-amp adder circuit is given by the expression VO is equal to minus of RF by R1 V1 plus RF by R2 V2 plus RF by R3 V3. So here there are three inputs, so I will consider only three inputs. Here we can observe that the output of op-amp inverting adder having the negative sign which indicates the inverting output, but in our given expression it has got plus 2 0.1 V1 plus 0.5 V2 plus 2.0 V3. So we'll try to represent the given output voltage expression such that it produces the inverting output. I will rewrite this expression as given output equation is VO is equal to, I will represent it as, I will multiply this 2 with all input terms, that is 0.2 V1 plus 0.5 into 2 is 1 V2 plus 2 into 2 is 4 V3. So I will rewrite this expression as VO is equal to minus of 0.2 V1 plus V2 plus 4 V3, and I will multiply this with minus 1, so that this minus 1 and this minus will become plus and will get back the same expression. So now in this expression, with the help of this term, we can design the inverting adder circuit. Later the output of this inverting adder circuit is passed through another op-amp inverting amplifier, so that it will produce the same output, that is VO equal to 0.2 V1 plus 1 V2 plus 4 V3. Now let's design the circuit for this part first. So here I'll call it as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now comparing equation 1 with 2, compare equation 1 and 2, I can write RF by R1 is equal to 0.2, RF by R1 is equal to 0.2. So with the help of similarly RF by R2 is equal to 1 and RF by R3 is equal to 4. Now to calculate R1, R2, R3 and RF values, we supposed to assume the RF value. Let RF equal to 10 kilo ohm. Now therefore from this expression R1 is equal to RF by 0.2, which is equal to 10k divided by 0.2, which gives 50 kilo ohm. Similarly R2 is equal to RF by 1, which is equal to RF itself, that is 10 kilo ohm, and here R3 is equal to Rf by 4, which is equal to 10k divided by 4, which is equal to 2.5 kilo ohm. Rf equal to 10 kilo ohm, R1 is 50 kilo ohm, R2 is 10 kilo ohm, and R3 is 2.5 kilo ohm. Now we'll draw the op-amp adder circuit, inverting amplifier, inverting adder circuit. VO, I'll call it as VO1 is equal to minus of 0.2 V1 plus V2 plus 4 V3, but now we supposed to get it as plus 0.2 V1 plus V2 plus 4 V3, but here we have minus. Therefore now I will pass the output of first stage through another inverting amplifier whose gain is 1. So we'll get gain of inverting amplifier is 1 when Rf and R1 values are same. So therefore now I will draw the inverting amplifier where non-inverting terminal is grounded and the inverting terminal will assume Rf equal to 10 kilo ohm, and here we have R1, its value should be equal to Rf, so that we'll get minus 1 gain, that is 10 kilo ohm. So the input for this is output of first stage amplifier. So here the output of this is connected as input to this one. Therefore the output of this VO is equal to minus and minus will become plus 0.2 V1 plus V2 plus 4 V3, because we know that the output of inverting amplifier is given by minus Rf by R1 into Vin, where Rf by R1 values are same, so it will be minus 1. So when we multiply this output with minus 1, we'll get the output as VO equal to 0.2 V1 plus 1 V2 plus 4 V3. This is the solution for the given problem. Thank you for watching.